Hello. In continuation of our previous video, so today we will again start with company accounts chapter 1. Company accounts, in that question number 21 we are taking. In this question what they say, Amit holds 100 shares of 10 each. Amit he holds shares of 10 rupees each, on which he has paid rupees 1 per share as application. He has paid the application money of rupees 1. This is application money. He has paid 1. Bimal holds 200 shares of 10 each. Bimal he has 200 shares of 10 each, 10 each, on which he has paid rupees 1 and rupees 2 per share as application and allotment money. Means he has paid rupees 1 as application money and 2 as allotment money. These two Bimal has paid. Okay, then paid as allotment money. Chetan holds 300 shares of 300 shares of 10 each. He has paid rupees 1 on application. This is application money. This is application. This is allotment money. This is first call, and this is final call. This is second call, and this is final. This is second, and this is final. Okay, this is final call. He has paid allotment and rupees and he has paid rupees 1 on application, 2 on allotment, and 3 for the first call. Up to first call he has paid. He has not paid second and final call. 3 and 1. They all failed to pay their arrears and the second call of rupees 2 per share. Second call is 2 per share. It means final call was not made. This call was not made. Director therefore forfeited their shares. The shares are reissued subsequently for rupees 11. Again it was reissue on premium. Reissue at the rate 11. It means it is 10 face value of the share plus 1. 1 is your premium. So it is reissue on premium. Reissued on premium. This has been done. Okay. So here you see this final call was not made as per the question. So call has been made for 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 6 and 2, 8. 8 rupees call has been made. So they have, these shares have been forfeited. 600 shares have been forfeited. So first entry will be share capital will be debit by the calls made. Calls made is rupees 8 only. 2, 3, 5, 5 to 7 and 1, 8. 600 into 8, it is 4,800. Now allotment money has not been paid. Allotment money, this Amit has not paid. Amit has paid only application money. So his allotment money is due. So 100 into 2 will be 200 rupees share allotment account. These are the calls, unpaid calls, calls in area. You think these are the calls in area. Calls in area. Okay. Calls in area. Then Bimal has paid up to allotment money. So it means 300 rupees, 300%, 300 shareholders, they have not paid. Amit has not paid 300 allotment rupees because at the rate of 300 shares it is 300. Bimal has 200 shares, so at the rate of 3 it comes to 600. So first call was not paid for 900 shares. So 300 into 3. 2 and 1, 300. 300 shares at the rate of rupees 3 is unpaid. Okay. Now, Chetan's case here, the second call, Amit has paid only application money. It means allotment not paid, first not paid, and second also he has not paid. So Amit has not paid 200 rupees. Bimal, he has paid application and allotment. So he has not paid first call and the second call. So second call. And Chetan has paid all the calls except the second. So 4 up to 6, 6, 6, 1200. Second call, second call account will be created by 1200. Okay, these are unpaid amount. These are unpaid calls in area. Calls in area. These are calls in area. Calls in area amount. Calls in area amount. This is the calculation for calls in area amount. So now, if you make the difference, the share for it is the actual cash received. So that cash received will go to share forfeit account. It is the difference figure we have put it. We can do the calculations also. By calculation also we can reach up to 200, 2,500. But here we have taken the difference figure. Suppose you want to make a calculation. Then Amit paid 100 into 1 rupees. Then Bimal has 200 shares and he has paid only application and allotment at the rate of 3. It means 600 that they have paid. And then Chetan is having 300 shares and he has paid application, allotment and first call. 3 to 5 or 16 rupees. 3 6 18. That is the 15 that. So altogether actual cash received is 2,500. That actual cash received always goes to the share forfeited account. So by this way also you can calculate, or difference figure you can put also. Now these shares are reissued at the rate of rupees 11. 11 means 10 plus 1. 1 is the premium. So they have issued it. So bank account you will get 600 shares. Here the amount is 600 shares at the rate of 11. So it is 6,600. Okay. Capital you will credit by the fully, as it is, they are reissuing it as a fully paid. Fully paid means 10 rupees nominal value of the share. It will come because it is fully paid reissued. So 10 rupees this is fully paid. Fully paid. Okay. Now 600 shares to 6,000 will be. And at the rate of 1 on 600 shares premium, securities premium reserve account will be 600. Now you see here all the shares have been reissued. 600 numbers were forfeited and 600 were reissued also. It means this share forfeited account is not required for the future. So if it is not required for the future, we transfer it to the capital reserve account. That's why this entry is there, share forfeit account there to capital reserve account. And by this entry, last entry, by this question is over. We will go to the next question. Okay. Now question number 23. Here 3 questions are there, A, B, C, D. So first we will solve 23A. In that 200 shares of 100 each. 200 shares of 100 each. It is 200. Number of shares are 200 numbers of 100 each, issued at a premium of 10 rupees. Okay. Were forfeited for the non-payment of allotment money. Means this 60 rupees was not paid. For this allotment money was not paid. So they have forfeited 200 shares allotment. The first and final call of rupees 20 per share on these shares were not made. This final call was not made. Only they have made application and allotment. So this was not paid. Then the forfeited shares were reissued at the rate of rupees 70. You have to make the journal entries. Okay. So how we will start? Here the 30 rupees they have paid, 60 they have not paid. Now for forfeiting 200 shares, we will see how much calls have been made. So for the capital, you see for capital 30 rupees and 50 rupees, 80 rupees capital calls have been made. It means 20 rupees not made out of 100. It means 80 rupees they have made. So share capital account will be reversed by the calls made. 80 into 200, 16,000 will be the amount. Here premium also not received. When premium is not received, premium is reversed. But if it is received, then we do not reverse the premium account. Here premium not received, so security premium account will also be debited by rupees 10 into 200 shares, 2,000. Now it will go to share allotment account. The money you have not received, 60 rupees per share for 200 shares. 60 rupees for 200 shares, 12,000 not received. This is called in area account, your share allotment account. Okay. Then share forfeited account, actual cash received. Actual cash received, you have received 30 rupees for 200 shares. So this will be 6,000. All this total should agree with this 18. 18 is okay. Now they have issued it at the rate of rupees 70. It means 30 rupees discount they have given. So the 70 and 30 at discount. 30 rupees at discount. 30 at discount. Reissued at discount. Reissue at discount. 30 rupees they have, so that is fully paid. So when bank account you will receive 70 into 200, 14,000. Share forfeit account we will debit by the discount amount 30 into 200. So 6,000 it will come. And credit will be given to share capital account by the full value of the share. Full value because it is issued as a fully paid. Then 100 into 200 number of shares, so 20,000 altogether. Here you see share forfeit account is having 6,000. Maximum discount you can give it up to 6,000 only, and that you have already given. 6,000 you have already given. It means nothing is now remaining in share forfeit account. So transfer to capital reserve will be nil, as whole 6,000 is used. Whole share forfeited account is used. By this way 23A is over. Now we will go for 23B. Now 23B we are going to do. Here 150 shares. 150 shares were issued at a premium of rupees 4. At a premium of rupees 4 it was issued, payable with allotment. It was premium was payable with the allotment money. Were forfeited for non-payment of allotment money. It means 8 rupees allotment money was not paid by 150 shareholders. Were not paid for allotment money of 8 included the first and final call of rupees 4. First and final call of rupees 4 per share were not paid. This was not made. Only up to here calls were made. This call was not made. Okay, this call was not made. Not made. The first and final call of not. The forfeited shares were reissued at 15. Reissued at the rate of rupees 15. Reissue. This is reissue. 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 And this is forfeit. And this is transfer entry. You have to write the narration also in short, whatever given in the question. Before we were reissued at 15. Okay, now you have to make the journal entry. So here you see share capital account we will debit by the calls made. It is always debited with the calls made. Calls made. Calls made. Calls is made for 6 rupees. 2 plus 4. Only capital you will take. Premium you will not take. So for 150 shares it is 900. Security premium not received. Why? Because it is what was with the allotment money. Allotment is not paid. It means premium is not received. So premium is not received. So premium account will be debited by 4 rupees at the rate of 150 shares. 600 will come. Now it will 8 at the rate of 8 on 15. 150 shares you have not received at the allotment. So share allotment account will be created. This is your calls in arrear account. This represents calls in arrear. Calls in arrear. Calls in arrear is 8 rupees for 150 shares. So share allotment account will be created by 1200. And this is actual cash received. Share forfeited account. You have received 2 rupees on 150 shares. So 300. You see the total is agreement. Okay. Now it is reissued at the rate of rupees 15. So bank account you will receive 15 rupees for 150 shares. This much amount will come. 15, 5, 15, 15, 225 comes. Then share capital account you will credit by the value of share. So here fully paid reissued. Fully paid. They are saying fully paid. Fully paid means 10 rupees only. Though cost not made, but here these shares 150 shares they are issuing as a reissue as fully paid up. So fully paid up reissue. Okay, reissue as fully paid up. So 10 rupees you will take. Rest 5 rupees is your premium because 15 rupees you are receiving. So rest you will transfer to securities premium reserve account and this will come. Now here you see nothing has been utilized from share forfeited account. So this 300 rupees is idle. This is not required. So this we will transfer to capital reserve account. Share forfeited account we will debit and credit to capital reserve account. Okay. So by this question is over. Now we will do question 23C. Now 2023C we are going to solve here. 400 shares of rupees 50 were issued at par. At par means neither it is on premium nor it is on discount. Okay. Were forfeited for non-payment of final call of 10. It means final call was of rupees 10. Final call of 10 was not paid on 400 shares. So non-payment of final call. These shares were reissued. So 14 these shares, 400 shares were reissued at the rate of 45 per share as a fully paid up. Fully paid up means capital will be created by the nominal value of the share 50 rupees. It depends fully paid up. Now first we will do forfeiture, then we will reissue. Reissue we will do. Reissue we will do, and then transfer entry we will do to capital reserve. This is your forfeit account, forfeiture we will do. You will write forfeiture of 400 shares. Now first entry will be share capital account, we will debit by the calls made. Here all the calls were made, so 50 into 400. 50 is the value of the share. All calls made, final call was not made, it means all calls were made. So you will take 50. Okay. Then the final call amount not received, final call of rupees 10 in the question. So 10 rupees final call on 400. This means final call was not received on 400 share. 4,000 is not received. This is your costing area. Share final call account 4,000. It means you have received how much out of 50, 10 not received. It means 40 you have received. So share forfeit account will be created by 40 into 4,000 actual cash received. Out of 50, 10 is not received. It means 40 you have received. So 40 will be transferred to share forfeited account. 40 into 400, 16,000. This is your forfeit account. Okay. Now we have reissued at the rate of 45. So bank account will be debited by 45 into 400. It comes to 18,000. Share forfeit 5 rupees. Fully paid up share it is issued. It means 50 rupees you require. 45 you have received, 5 not received. So this is the discount value. So discount value we will debit from share forfeit. So 5 rupees for 4,000. So 20,000, 2,000 will come. Capital account we will credit by fully paid value of 400 shares. 50 into 400 comes to 20,000. Now you see the total. This is 20,000. So this is the reissue of the entry. Now out of this 16,000 you have used, this 2,000 you have used. So how much is remaining? 14,000 is remaining, and all the shares have been reissued. So there is no case of pro rata reissue. It means capital reserve can be transferred, full amount you can transfer. So share forfeit account we will debit by 40,000 and transfer it to capital reserve account. Okay, so by this the question is over. Now next question, question 24, we will cover. Okay, so now question number 24 we are going to do. Here they are saying Ashma Limited invited applications for 40,000 shares. They have invited applications for 40,000 shares at a premium of rupees 20. 20 rupees premium was there. Amount payable on application. 40 rupees was payable. On allotment 40 rupees was payable including the premium amount. It means 20 rupees will go to the share and 20 rupees will go to the premium. Okay, for premium it will 40, and on allotment 40 rupees, and on first call for 25, and on the final call rupees 15. Altogether it is 100, and then premium is 20 rupees. 100 plus 20 rupees. 20 rupees is at a premium of 20. 100 plus 20. This is 100 plus 20. Okay, 100 plus 20. Now what happens? Second paragraph. The applications were received for 15,000 shares and allotment was made on pro rata basis. Excess money on application was adjusted against the sums due on allotment. It means nothing has been returned. So first entry we will do bank account debit. We have received at the rate of rupees 40 on how much share? On 50,000 shares. At the rate of 40 on 50,000 shares we have received the money. At the rate of 40, because application money was 40 rupees, so we have received on 50,000 shares, it comes to 20 lakhs. Okay, and it will cater to share application account. Now from share application we will debit and capital we will transfer, because 40,000 shares are there, application money is 40. So 40 into 40,000 shares, it comes to 16,000. Rest they are saying it is kept for further excess money on application adjusted against allotment. So excess money, how much you have received? You have received at the rate of rupees. You have received 50,000 shares. You have received. So it means 10 rupees excess money. Excess money you have received for how much shares? You have received 40 rupees. 40 rupees on 10,000 shares. On 10,000 shares you have received excess. Okay, so at the rate of 40, 10,000 shares, because 50,000 is the application, it means 10,000 is excess. So for each 4 lakhs you have received. Now the further Rohit, to him 600 were allotted, failed to pay allotment money, and his shares were forfeited after allotment. After allotment, his shares were forfeited. Rohit's shares were forfeited. Now first we will make the due entry. We will pass. So share allotment account will be debited by the 40 rupees. 20 plus 20, 40 rupees we will debit share allotment amount 16 lakhs. It will come. Share capital, it will go 20 into 40,000 shares, 8 lakhs will go. And premium also 20 into 40,000 means 8 lakhs will go to the premium. Altogether it is okay. Now when it is time to receive the money, you have not received the money from Rohit, who has 600 shares. We have to calculate from Rohit how much we have not received. So to calculate, because pro rata allotment it is a case, so we have to calculate Rohit how much excess he has paid on application. So for this we have calculated. So for 40,000, Rohit has applied, suppose for 40,000, if anybody has allotted, so he has applied for 50,000. 50,000 applications received and allotted 40,000. So Rohit's case we will find out he has got 600 shares. It means he has applied for 50 upon 4,000, but means 750. Rohit has applied for 750 shares. It means the money received on application from Rohit was at the rate of 40 into 750 shares. So 30,000 we have received, and application money we have used 40 into 600 means 24,000. Allotted share is 600. So 24,000 we have already used. Now how much advance is received? 600. So from Rohit you are already having 600 rupees as an advance. Now amount due from Rohit on allotment. On allotment 40 into 600, 24,000 is due from him. But he has already given 600 in advance. So how much is due from you? Due from him is 18,000, which he has not paid. So this will go to this is your calls in area. Calls in area means share allotment, the 2 share allotment account. This is the money which you have not received. This is calls in area. Calls in area is 18,000, this figure. Now we are coming to this, how much we have received. Now we will come here. It means from bank account point of view, amount due is 16 lakhs. Share allotment money is due from 16 lakhs. But 4 lakhs already received. It means how much you will receive? You will receive 12 lakhs. You will receive 12 lakhs. 4 lakhs already received and 16 is due. So 12 lakhs you will receive. But Rohit has not paid. Rohit has not paid 18,000. So it means how much you will receive? You will receive 1182. This amount will come here. Okay. Now his shares we are going to forfeit. So we will debit share capital account. We will debit by the calls made. Calls we have made 40 plus capital portion is 20. So 40 plus 20, 60 rupees into 600 there. So it is 36,000. And securities premium reserve account at the rate of 20 for 600 shares we have not received. Once it is not received, you can reverse it. So this is also reversed. Share allotment account, calls in area amount 18,000 we have calculated, and the actual cash received you have received from him 40 into 75 means 330,000 you have actual cash received. So this actual cash received will be transferred to share forfeited account. In this way, Rohit's shares were forfeited. Now we will go further. We will rub it and go further. Okay. Now, Asmita Asmita has 1000 shares. Asmita, who had applied for 1000 shares, she has applied for 1000 shares, failed to pay the 2 calls. She has not paid the 2 calls. Means for these 2 calls she has not paid. 2 calls she has not paid. 50, 25 and 15 she has not paid. 2 calls she has not paid. Um, um, 2 calls, and her shares were forfeited after the second call. This is first call, this is second call. So it means all the calls have been made and thereafter it has been forfeited after the second call. It was forfeited. Of the shares forfeited, 1200 shares reissued, 1200 were reissued at the rate of rupees 85, fully paid, this 100 rupees fully paid, it was reissued. The whole of Rohit shares being included in these 1200 shares, Rohit shares were all shares Rohit is used. It means the amount forfeited from Rohit, that will be fully used here. So in the previous video, we have the calculation of Rohit. How much we have received from Rohit? We have received 750 shares he has applied, and at the rate of 40 rupees application. So 30,000 were actual cash received from Rohit. So this amount is fully to be used here. Okay, this is to be used here. Now we are coming to the question. So here, how much call you will make? Because 600 you have forfeited. Now you will make calls for 40,000 minus 600, means 39,400 shares. On this share, you will make a call, first call for 25 rupees. So first call account debit at the rate of 25 into 39,400 shares. Amount will come to this. This is the due entry. Your amount due from such and such shares. You have to write the narration. Then you receive amount received. Amount received will be, you will not receive Asmita's amount. Means you, out of 39,400, 1,000 shares. Means Asmita will not pay. So how much people will pay? 38,400 will pay at the rate of 25. So you will get bank account debit 38 into 38,400 shares by multiplied by 24. So this amount you will receive for the first call. Now second, then again due entry will be passed for, because after making second call, then it was forfeited. So first final call also due entry you have to pass. Final call due is 15 rupees at the rate of how much here? 40,000 minus 600 already forfeited. So 39,400 shares it will be due. But when receiving the money, this Asmita will not pay. So how many will pay? 38,400 numbers will pay. Out of 39,400, 1,000 Asmitas we have reduced. So 15 rupees you will receive on 38,400 shares. This much you will receive. Now you will pass the forfeit entry. So share capital, because all the calls have been made, so you will debit share for capital account debit. But as in Asmita's case, premium up to allotment you have received. Up to allotment only cost not received. It means premium is received. So premium once received, it is not forfeited. So this 20 rupees you cannot forfeit. What you will do? You will just forfeit this up to this amount. So share capital account due entry pass, all the due call have been made. So 100 rupees into 1,000 shares. Share first call not received. First call at the rate of 25 rupees into 1,000 shares not received. Share final call, how much you have not received? 15 rupees into 1,000 shares. So how much is forfeited? You have received 40 and 20 this. Allotment you don't, premium you don't take because it cannot be reversed. So 40 plus 20, 60 rupees you have received on 1,000 shares, actual cash received. So this will, now it will agree. Now this is forfeit of the Asmita share. It is done. Now we are going to reissue at the rate of 85, but 1,200 shares only received. So you will multiply it 1,200 into 85, this much. Rest you will take from the rest, you will take 85, capital value is 100, nominal value is 100. So from 185 you reduce, 15 will come. 15 rupees is the discount that we will give on 1,200 shares, and it will come to 1,800 rupees. Now, this amount will be utilized from share forfeited account. That how much is available, that calculation we will make, and we will see later on. So capital account will be calculated with 100 into 1200. Now we see we have to transfer a last entry share forfeit account debit to capital reserve. This transfer entry of unutilized forfeited account has to be done. Now here you see you have forfeited how much? You have forfeited 1600 shares, but we issued only 1200 shares. It means 400 shares are still not reissued. So how you will calculate the available amount? So for 1000 shares, forfeited amount is 60,000 for one, because 40 plus 20 is 60,000 you have already received. For 1000 forfeited is 60,000. Here also you see share forfeited account is 60,000 or 1000 shares. So for 1600 shares, because 1200 we are going to issue, out of 1200 numbers they are saying Rohit's full shares, means 600 is of Rohit, so 600 of Asmita. Asmita's share numbers are, Asmita's number are 600. Asmita number are 600. So for Asmita we will calculate for Asmita. This is calculation for Asmita. Asmita. So 600, how much amount is available? 36,000 it will come. 60,000 divided by 1000 into 100. Now Rohit's amount we have forfeited. Rohit has applied for 750 and given 40 rupees as application money. So actual cash received was 30,000. This 30,000 you add here. Rohit 30,000 you add to it, because fully it is full issued. These shares are full, all reissued. So all amount we will use here. 30,000 we can use. So how much is available? Available amount is 66,000. Out of this 18,000 you have already used. This 18,000. So how much is extra lying with you? 40,000. So this 40,000 you will transfer to the share forfeit account debit to capital reserve, and rest amount of the share forfeit account will remain means 60. Out of this 60,000 only this amount will remain with you, will remain in your share forfeit account. How much it will come? You see, 36 is here. Out of this 36, okay, for that you have to prepare share forfeit account and then close. Okay, but they have not asked for it, so we are not preparing it. So this is your, this question is over. Chapter is also over. Next we will cover our video on debentures. Thank you for listening. Thank you.